this option too. Okay, we have our glass window here. We have, let me copy and we can use this also. Move. Okay, and this option also will make it align to be recognize the window location. Okay, also this one done. Now I'm going to create a wall extrude. Okay, this is on the done, and the center one I needed also center one, but what I will do first, I will create this inside. Later on we will create it. First of all, let me extrude this all option. We can extrude one time if we select it. No, we cannot. So we need this around 3 meter. It's enough. This is, if this is not matched correctly, it will happen like this. Okay, let me check what is happened here. Okay, so I will extend up to here. And let me create this for extrude option. I think we need 0.2 is enough. Okay, make it like this and make it a group, or make it a group first. Now copy this object, press Ctrl, copy this object. We can use for the basement, but I need little bit out, from the slab. So I'll double click it, extrude 0.2. okay, extrude 0.2, rotate, extrude 0.2, rotate, extrude 0.2. It's done. Double click to go out and rotate the orbit, select, take the point, it should be go by the axis. SketchUp said follow my rules. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now we have a window here and door here. We will open it. Okay, sliding window and that one, but that one is later on, we will use it. But now I need to complete the landscape first, because our focus on landscape. So what I'm going to do here, we create this. Okay. I will make from above. It's better idea to make from above. A downside, it will create a problem to you, and the edges also exposed, it's exposed directly, you can create it. Otherwise you have to rotate the orbit, go to the down and select the points like that. It's take a long time, also it's a big problem. Okay, like this side we created, and this side also needed a line, and this side only we need up to the wall only. Once again it goes to the line, it should be above the line to the wall. Yeah, and like this. Okay, done. Then rotate, like this. Then sorry, let's take a rectangle, we pick the line, should be okay. Then rotate, done. Then rotate here, make it line from here to there to the wall. Sorry, delete it and rotate from here to this point, then this point, then this point, and this point. Go continue, this point, this point, then this point. You can see our options are complete, but we have this buildings, so we can select and select two and select, even select, sorry, it's one building, so it selects many times. We have any window? No. So I will move this, okay, and remove the additional what we have and make it extrude down, sorry, make it extrude down around 0.15 centimeter. Okay, this is perfectly done what we create here. Just I need to, okay, oh, this is not block. mistake. Sorry for this. Okay, make a group. Done. Now this one is done and we have some issue here. I can make a rectangle. Sorry. Why like this? Okay, we will see later on, no issue for this. Oh, okay, this is the basement. Okay, this one we deleted and make it this group, and this one also a group. This is the benefit of a group, you know. So just move the object from here. Once again, remove this object also and make it this little bit back because we have a stair here. So I will double click it and drag it back. Okay, one thing, just I will select this object. I will select, it's become a group inside. Okay, double click it and move out. Okay, and double click it. Sorry, this is the object. Move out. Okay, here is the mistake we make it. And what I will do, I will copy this object. Sorry, I will press Control. I will copy this object and take this object to move here like this. Now I go to Tools, Solid, so one. Okay, we are in. Okay, we are in. Okay, double click it, select this object, and this shift this two object also. Make it select this object, shift to select this object, Control C, double click it, came out, Control V. Okay, and what I do, I will delete this from here. I came out, I select the object, I move from here to here. Now this is the block, this is the block. Now I just tools, solid, subtract 1 and 2. Not solid. Why not solid? How can you say it's not solid? Okay, we add a lot of things. Lot of lines we added here. That's our mistake. That's why it's saying it's not solid. make a mistake here. First of all, let me create this group, then it will be easy for us to complete. Okay, shift select, okay, shift select, make this a group. This is one group. Now this will be one group also. Make it a group. Now move this option from here to out. Okay, now let me what is this? You should be not like this. Okay, to create this interlock, we have to create this wall. Okay, it will help us to create the objects. Okay, otherwise because it's high. Now this is 50 centimeter above, 15 centimeter above. I don't want to create arc from downside because it will not correct exactly. So that's why what I do now, from here we already have a building here, right? So I will do one thing. I will create a random wall to create like this. I think it will not come rectangle. Okay, rectangle will not work here. I will create a wall for us. See, even it will not become single entity. I'll select the lines. What is the problem? I will ask. So let me create a wall here like this, and I will come here like this and like this. I will click it. Now it's become wall. Now I will create a random height around 2 meter. Okay, this is the above the height of the man level. Okay, right? Man height. Okay, it will help us to create interlock. Later on we can use it or delete it if we need it. Sorry. Okay, a little bit I need to extend this, or no need. Now it's time to create the interlock here, and we need the wall here also. Let me create from the bottom. If we can create, it's good. Let's try. from here to here, then here to here, then to this line. See, it's have little bit difference, that's why I'm scared to make it, you know. Let me create the arc. I need the exact one. It doesn't need, I need the exact one. Or create from here, no problem. Like this. Go. Okay. No, I need line. Okay. Okay, this is done perfectly, but I need this is the group and this is the group. Okay, I will extend point. No, we did not make it here. We don't need this. Okay, no problem. Later on we will remove that objects. Point 15. Okay, remove this. Okay, remove the wall and remove this curb stone. I think we make it. Okay. And we doesn't need this line. Okay. Make it a group. Okay, this is done now. Okay, let me make little bit down because we have a stair here. I need to extrude this part, rectangle, like this, and make it extrude down around this point. So what I will do, I'll go to subtract, solid, subtract. This is did not make group. So I will select, make it a group, tools, solid, subtract, 1 2 1 2. Why 2 it's not coming? Because I think we added a okay, 1 second, like this, like this, like this. Like this. Okay, this is done perfectly. Now I need to extrude this, but I need to copy because there is a lot of lines here. I don't want these lines to become and disturb me, and later on if we make this group, and it will show you it's not single entity, or it's not block, it's not solid, it is say like that. So I will copy outside and extrude the object, point 15. This is done, and let me make the group. Now whatever we have a problems here like lines and other lines, okay, it will not affect us. Okay, let me shift select and make it a group. This is done, and let me move this object from here. Okay, this is we created now also. So I am going to match this object from our material. There is in model option is there. In model, what we use for our interlock, I will match it. What happened? Again I need to match it. What is the option? What happened? Why it's not matching? It's matched. Okay, there is, maybe if I close and open it will work. And this one, it's, I don't need 15 centimeter. I just select it and drop it down. Around 3 centimeter is enough for me. So we make 15 centimeter, right? So I will reduce around 0.12 centimeter. Okay, if we delete and control Z and match it again, it will come. Yeah, and this one I needed little bits like sand or something like that. Okay, and this one we already created here. And let me move the buildings. This also block and this also block. So I will drag it to move option. Let me go here to the bottom. Okay, and this little bit we need to move it. Okay, what I do, I will rotate, I will double click it. Now easily we can extend to this point. And this part, let me little bit move up this building. Double click it. Let me move little bit up on the, how much this one? This is how much? 0.20 centimeter. Okay, no problem. Move back. Move back. Double click it. 0.2. No, it should be up. Like this. Okay. Now rotate and see. Yeah, this look perfect. Okay, and look perfect here. Even perfect. And let me go down. Okay, came out, and it will become on same level. How it's look like our buildings. Okay, and let me move this object, the guard room object, also to the location. Okay, we have some extrude option here. Let me create okay angle, move here. Okay, and we have a window also. So we got the location exactly. Okay, now just drag the building. Where is the building? Move to here. Okay, rotate, and we have window here. This is the part, a window part. Okay, whenever we need it, we can extrude the option we choose. Okay, 2.33, 1.5. 0.3. Okay, select the object, move up around 1 meter. Okay, now remove this line. 1 minute, let me check. 1.58, it's end. Okay, so this line will be not in use. This line also, this line, sorry, this line. Okay, now we already extrude our object. Now let me make it solid. Let me make it solid. Let me make it solid. Sorry, let me make it solid. Make it desolid. 2.33 comma 1.5. Okay, this is should be moved up around 1 meter. And this how much? 0.69, 0.18. 0.69 plus 0.18 enter, divided by 2 minus 0.69, how much? 0.255. We need to move that side. So 0.255. This came in the center, and now I need to extrude this. Uh, 0.3. Okay, let me rotate this option. We are selected something, yes. Shift to deselect. If you select and make it a group, it will show you it's not solid. So you have to remember this. Now if we subtract 1, and this is not solid. Why it's not solid? Because we add some lines, that's why, so I will make it this explode, because it's double we have. Now if you can see, make it explode. Now if we can now subtract 1, even this not solid, he said. So what we can do here, yes, because we delete lines, additional lines we deleted, that's why he said not solid. Remember that, which I make mistake, you don't make mistake that after complete everything, if you need to delete this line, you should be complete your project. If you are going to work on V-Ray or Inkscape or Lumin or Blender, whatever for a software you are using, before that you should delete these lines. While you are working extrude or subtract, don't delete this. Now I am facing a problem to extrude the option here. Okay, so what I do here, it make a big problem for me. I have to create this guard room one more time. One more time I have to create this guard room. So no problem, we can create as soon as, okay, like this. How much? It's 0.20, 2.55 by 0.19. So I will make it 0.2 comma 2.55 like this. Yeah, no, one second, let me check the length. How much? 0.11 by 2.40. okay, so 0.2 comma 2.4 enter. Okay, this is, we can extrude now and make it a block around 3 meter. Okay, and make it a group and remove this or move this, move back, sorry, select object, move this back, sorry, like this we have to make it, move back. Or our wall should be here, matched to the fence, not like this. So our floor also came out to match this level, this line. So our wall also will come here. this, you know, it should be like this. Now you can see we have a line here, it should be deleted, otherwise above object it will not become single entity. Delete it. Now you can make this solid like this, select and make it solid, rotate, try one, try to extrude, around 0.25, make it a group. Now try to extrude it, solid, subtract 1, 2. Remember, okay, if you select any one small line from the bottom, or one small any line or any object selected from behind, it will not subtract. Okay, remember this, because which I face problem, that's why I am showing to you. Let's move it out and let me check what dimension we have here. So we have 3.2 length and 0.2. Okay, so 3.2 comma 0.2 and extrude it to the top and remove or move, no problem, or leave it like that, just like that. Okay, while selecting, remove this, shift deselect and make it this is the option, select and make it deselect this and make it one second, it's facing a problem with me, bro, just wait out. Select the object, make it a group. Okay, now this wall we can use this side, control to copy, move in. Now just double click it and stretch in. Okay, and that wall we can use it. We have small gap here, that's why. Now copy this, controlled, move out. Sorry, what is this? If you select this and it will come, not solid option will come. So I will control and copy option here, double click it and move in. Okay, this is done. Now I need to subtract from here, from this option, move in. Okay, now you can subtract, check the dimension, it's perfect or not in center, 0.64, 0.43. So 0.64 plus 0.43, okay, divided by 2, so minus 0.63, so we need to move 9.5 centimeter this side. So 0.095. Check the dimension if it's in center. Okay. Now you can subtract after a lot of suffer. Open. Okay, this is the opening we got it here. What is this line? This is a small line. Remember that when you import your object, when you import your main plan, after just select like this and delete the additional line what's coming with while you import. Okay, I hope you got my point. And we have one window here. Let me check what is the size. We can check from down. No problem. No need to move. Check the dimension. How much? 1.6. So okay. Make it a rectangle from the bottom. Like this size. So 1.5 by 1.6. So we have to type first of all 1.5 comma 1.6. It's okay. So all windows we are giving this size, that's why. Okay, make it a move. If we got midpoint, yeah, midpoint, then drag it to midpoint. Okay, now move it up from the floor 1 meter. Some people use 0.9 centimeter, 90 centimeter like that. So I will use 1 meter. Same this height. Now extrude this object 0.25 centimeter, because wall is 20 centimeter. I will extrude little bit out, that's why. Make it let's check if we are selecting anything. No. Okay, we already make extrude. Yeah, we already make extrude. So now we already make solid. No, select the object, make it a group. Tools, solid, subtract 1 2. It's complete. We complete the opening here, and we have around for the door, we have door here, right? So go down. This is the door we have. After the wall they make it directly. Okay, so 1 meter door, obviously here. After 20 centimeter we create wall door. This door we will use it here also. Or should we have a steel door? No, it should be all security doors should be have steel door, but no need. If we are using glass window, so why we will use steel door? We should use wooden door, no issue. So I will make it a door here around 1 meter by 2.2 height. So 1 meter and 2.2 height. Okay, let me move from here. We should make one more step here. We will make it, no problem. So we will move with this object, we will move with this object around 0.2 centimeter from the wall, and I will extrude this object around 0.25 centimeter. Let's make it a group and check if we are selecting anything. I think no, there is no objects behind. And let me select this, make it a group, go to solid, to subtract 1, 2. There is, we make some mistake. What is the mistake? Okay. Rectangle 1, 2.2. Sorry, 2.2, 1. Select this. Should be have on correct axis, otherwise it will not work. Okay. Rotate to extrude the object correctly. Object correctly 0.4 centimeter. No problem. Rotate. Make it a group. No, 100% it will be subtract. Why? Because the selection I can see, that's why. Okay, this is the door, we make it. Now we can make it a group, this one. Let me see from behind, and we need to little extend. It's same size. Let me extrude around 0.2. Okay, now select, shift, select, and select the object, and select the object. Okay, we selected all objects. Yes, then make it a group. Around we need one step only, so 0.15 it should be up. This one, move up around 0.15 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter, 0.2. Why 0.2? I will make it down 0.05. This is perfect. Now I double click it, I will go down, here and select it, bottom, to drop it, and double click it came out. Okay, now we can use one step here. Let's attach this door. Press control, sorry, this is a block. Okay, control C, control V. Where is the frames? Okay, control C, control V. Frame came. Rotate the option. Axis to axis on red axis. Take it. Move it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe before you go. Before you close my tutorial, please subscribe it. Subscribe कर दो यार. This button दबा दो बस काफी है. Thank you. Bye bye.